everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you beauty retouch. So the photo was like this and this one, and after editing this I'm getting like this type of output. So what I have done here, at first just analyze this one. Okay, at first I applied a plugin that is the skin finer, and then the effects, and then the dodge burn. So this one is the easiest technique to make the beauty retouch of your portrait photography. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Okay, and then go to the file and open up. This one is stock image, and then just make copy by pressing Ctrl J for the safety purpose, and then just go to the filter and the photo toolbox, skin finer. If you want to know more about the skin finer, I have another video. You can watch that video for the detail of the skin finer and the setup process and other stuffs for that. So here is the preset. I made this preset, that is the model, and I'll give you that preset. So how to import this one? Go to the settings options and just import this one. You'll get the model preset like this and open up. So it will add in this list. So after that, here the apply preset, the model, and just apply this one and hit the OK button. Okay, it will take time to load it up and give you the fine output. So yeah, the skin is smooth and the scar just gone. And after that, I'll add another effect for the color correction. For that, go to the filter and the camera raw filter. This one's another plugins of the Photoshop. If you are the user of Creative Cloud version, you are getting these plugins by default, otherwise you have to install it manually, and I'll give you that download link in my video description, so check it out. Here is the options, the load settings, and here the settings is like that, model XMP file, and I'll open it up. Yeah, you're getting the extra like that. So let's see the before one and after one. Yeah, before and after, full, like here the overexposed, but in this photo you're getting the proper lights and other stuffs is okay, and hit the OK button. So now the before one and after one, and then go to the filter and Nik Collection. This one is another plugins, and if you want to get these plugins download link, please check out my video description. I'll give you there the download link. So from here I'll use the cross processing these effects, and here lots of methods to use it, and here the C04, and you can use here lots of method actually. Which method you want to use for this photography, it's totally up to you. And from here I'll use a L02 and hit the OK button. It will take time to load it up, and it depends on your PC configuration to how time it will take. So before one and after one. Now I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl J, and then go to the blending mode and make it screen, and right press and blending options. From here is the highlighting underlining layer, and I'll find out the highlighted area of the face and press the Alt button and click here, divide the slider and just adjust the light of the face. Yeah, that's good, and hit OK, and then mask this one and go to the image option and the apply image options and hit OK. So the before one and after one, before and after, and then select all the things, make it group and make it merge. So let's see. Before one, normal image that is nice but not fully polished or other stuffs, and when you are getting this one is fully polished and it's ready to use paper or other stuff. So if you don't want to add another things, you can use this one. This one is a artistic warm look, and I shown the process. You can use all one of them. I think this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you want to get the stocks and other stuffs, plugins or other download link, please check out my video description. And until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.